Welcome to our course overview. Whether you use AI every day, have been curious but haven't known where to start, or have tried other AI courses only to find yourself lost in machine learning theory, algorithms, and technical concepts that feel remote from your actual work, this course is for you. 12 Steps to AI Fluency starts where you are. It focuses on what you can do with AI, not on how AI works under the hood. No prior technical knowledge required. No coding, no jargon, just practical, structured, and immediately applicable skills. Here's a reality that often gets overlooked. Having access to AI tools is not the same as knowing how to use them well. Many people type a question, use the answer, and move on. No evaluation, no refinement, no judgment about whether what they received is accurate, biased, or even real. That is not AI fluency. That is AI dependency. This course exists to change that. 12 Steps to AI Fluency is built around our 12-category framework, 12 practical skill areas that reflect the most common and professionally relevant ways of working with AI, from editing and research to creative writing, data, code, and translation. Each skill area develops a different dimension of your capability. Together, they form a complete system that builds clarity, judgment, and confidence. This is not a random collection of tips. It is a methodology, grounded in sound pedagogy and designed for practical, workplace, and everyday application. The course has two carefully designed parts. The first part establishes your foundations, responsible and ethical AI use, core terminology, and the principles of directing AI effectively. Because before you can work with AI well, you need to understand what it is not, and where the boundaries of trust should lie. The second part puts that knowledge into action. 12 hands-on activities, one for each of the 12 categories, where you will direct AI effectively, evaluate outputs, refine your approach, and discover what AI can genuinely do when guided with skill and judgment. Responsible and ethical use is not a module in this course. It is a thread that runs through every single activity. You will learn when to trust AI and when to question it, when to use it, and when human judgment must lead. How to protect confidential information, how to verify what AI tells you, and how to be open and accountable about your use of these tools. To support your learning throughout, you have access to the AI Fluency Learning Journal, a structured reflection tool designed to help you go beyond what the AI produces and develop your own insight, judgment, and understanding. A few minutes per activity, a significant difference in what you take away. And when you are ready, an optional certification assessment will test your understanding across all 12 categories, including responsible and ethical AI use, the foundations covered in the first part of the course, and the practical skills developed across each of the 12 activity areas. Pass with 80% or above, and you will receive your AI Fluency Certificate or digital badge, recognition of a real and practical professional capability. By the end of this course, you will not just know how to use AI, you will know how to think with it. You will know when to trust it, when to challenge it, and how to apply it responsibly in your work, your leadership, and your life. Let's begin.